Today is about real-world, hands-on insights, practical strategies you can take back to your operations.
There's so much technology out there right now, but construction has so many nuances to it. So when you are evaluating or looking at things like construction specific, you want to solve not for the general application, you want to solve for those small details that are going to matter to you most.
Our revenue and our profit was tied to the uptime of our fleet. That was tied to the productivity of our mechanics. That was tied to them getting the parts when and where they're needed.
The guys over at Caterpillar, they were talking about new emerging technologies with tracking undercarriage maintenance wear, which is something that we've always struggled with in our business, and having an emerging technology that does that is really interesting to hear about, and we're looking forward to implementing that.
Definitely helps to learn from different people and be able to take that back and maybe solve a problem that we didn't have, that we didn't think we had.
There's a lot changing in the industry, and for those employers and contractors that are adamant about learning and adapting to these new industry conditions, I think we're going to be better off for it.
They're right there with the equipment, you know, they're guiding you right along of what to look for on a lot of stuff that you don't really think about, you know.
We have excavators, backhoes, we have loaders, and those problems that we face regularly, maybe there's something systemic that we can affect there and get in front of it, right, when it comes to forecasting that maintenance, so that we're less reactive and more proactive, right?
I found a system that would be implementable into our business to be able to, track our daily inspections on all of our equipment.
We're looking at all this new equipment, and so understanding what's out there helps us to gear our strategic approach to the next, purchase, or even the next line of purchasing that we do, to take advantage of the technology that's out there.
Seeing all this stuff around here, I mean, everything that you have here, it's definitely, everybody needs to come see it.